Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install property management workflows with AppFolio, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AppFolio account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Click on the settings icon located at the top right corner. In the settings menu, find and select workflows. This will take you to the workflow management section. Now, click on the Create New Workflow button. Enter a name for your workflow that clearly describes its purpose. Provide a brief description to help others understand the workflow's function. Next, choose the type of workflow you want to create. For property management, consider options like maintenance requests or lease renewals. After selecting the type, click Next to proceed to the workflow steps. Add the first step by clicking on Add Step. Choose a step type from the drop-down menu. You can select tasks, approvals, or notifications based on your needs. Fill in the required information for the chosen step. Include specific details like task assignments and deadlines. Continue adding steps as necessary to complete the workflow. Once all steps are added, review the workflow for accuracy. Check each step's description and assignments to ensure clarity. You can also rearrange steps by dragging and dropping them. When satisfied with the setup, click Save. Your new workflow will now appear in the Workflows list. To activate the workflow, toggle the status option to Live. Test the workflow by initiating a sample process. Monitor its progress to identify areas for improvement. Make any necessary adjustments based on your observations. Once you've refined the workflow, it's ready for team use. Share the workflow with your team members for collaboration. Encourage feedback to optimize its effectiveness. Regularly review the workflow for updates and necessary adjustments. This ensures your property management processes remain efficient and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.